Thank you so much, our media partners. I remember my humble self, Barrister Okere Kingdom. I'm the Convener of Lawyers in Defense of Democracy. I am an NDC aspirant for House of Representative of Owerri Federal Constituency. We have just come to present a letter of reaction notice to the national chairman of the party. Unfortunately, the party is exhibiting several anti-democratic practices. It is regrettable that a party such as NDC, a newly formed political party, is now leveraging on a man's personality, on Peter Obi's personality, to now engage into transactional politics, ticket racketeering, Those of us from obedient structure has now been sidelined because, like our principal, we don't give shishi. And we believe we are credible candidates. I am vying for the member representing Owerri Federal Constituency in the National Assembly, and the party has refused to abide by their own guideline and the party constitution, which is in accordance with the Electoral Act. And we have come to give them pre-action notice that if they don't want to do the right thing, we will help them do the right thing. You see, in this party, we are not going to go out. Those of us at Maswell Opera is also a human rights activist in this party. Those of us who has been on the street advocating for good governance, advocating for electronic transmission of vote, real-time results. In fact, the last tear gas I held was at the National Assembly gate when we were talking about electronic transmission of vote. We will be in this party and we will begin to fight within the party to ensure that a new Nigeria that Peter Obi wants to give this party begins with the party. This party must embrace that ideology, that message of a new Nigeria. You cannot leverage on a man's popularity because he joined your party and there is now surge in the membership of your party, in the number of aspirants, and you now want to use it to extort people and to say those that pay 10 million naira, they are the ones you are considering to give nomination ticket. That is arrant nonsense. We will contest it within the ambit of the law, and that's what we have come to do. We have given the party a pre-action notice. Unfortunately, the national chairman has instructed people at the secretariat not to receive any letter or any petition again. So Nigerians will see that some of these political parties, some of these politicians that are masquerading themselves, in the name of new political parties, they are not Democrats. They remain the old set of corrupt politicians that we are trying to change. And I'm saying that this party, Nigeria Democratic Congress, this message of a new Nigeria by Peter Obi must begin with them. We will be here. We will fight and ensure that this message of a new Nigeria is embraced by the leadership of this party. And that is how we will take it, to the national level. Look at you, like even the party should be proud and say that people like us that have been consistent and talking about democracy and anti-corruption, that we are flying the flag of the party. But the contrary is the opposite is the issue. They are talking about people that have given them 10 million, or people in the name of donation, or what the party say, collect expression of interest form. And all of us that collected expression of interest form in Owerri Federal Constituency, no election has been held. They dare not do any nonsense in Owerri Federal Constituency or submit anybody's name in Owerri Federal Constituency. Owerri Federal Constituency election must be contested and won. Owerri Federal Constituency election must be contested. Election has been conducted in Owerri Federal Constituency. To officially tell the party that it is either they do the right thing or we will help them do the right thing in the court of law. They cannot rubbish the personality of Mr. Peter Obi. They must not rubbish the personality of Peter Obi. What they have told us to do is to buy expression of interest form, and we have bought. So if you are now saying that giving the ticket is based on somebody that has donated 10 million naira to the party, that is nowhere in the constitution of Nigeria or in the electoral act or in INEC. I can donate 50 million to the party if I emerge as a candidate of the party. But to make it a condition precedent to induce people to get the ticket, I say we will contest it within the ambit of the law. So we are saying that the party leadership should do the right thing. They must do the right thing. They must do the right thing. They must recognize that some of us came with Mr. Peter Obi into this party. And we will begin to fight that a new Nigeria that will be possible under Peter Obi must begin with this party. That is why we are here. We need men of credibility, and pro-democracy activists like us, who will go to the National Assembly and move the right motion and make the right amendments to the Constitution that will bring about a new Nigeria. We don't need people, when Peter Obi will be talking about cutting the cost of governance, we don't need members of the National Assembly that will be singing praise of furniture allowance, wardrobe allowance, and sending email and sending messages into their email. When Peter Obi is there talking about cutting the cost of governance. So you need the right people that will go there and make the right laws and propose the right amendments to the 1999 Constitution that will give us a new Nigeria. So if you think it's those that you have collected 10 million from that are qualified, to proceed to get the nomination of the party, even without conducting any primary election, even by breaching your own rules and regulations, we are saying that we will contest it. And we are going to begin that message of a new Nigeria from the party. We will begin it from the party. Within the ambit of the law, we will battle it. So the party should be proud and be happy that some of us activists, we are with them. And they should also be conscious of doing the right thing at all times. Because if you don't do the right thing, we will tell the world that you're not doing the right thing. Because Peter Obi cannot be promising Nigeria a new Nigeria, and in the party we are getting old Nigeria that is corrupt. In fact, the entire primary of the NDC is, I would better describe it as a complicated Byzantine, a complicated secrecy. Somebody came from the national and said he was coming to Owerri to conduct primary election for Owerri Federal Constituency and for all other constituencies. And after addressing us, he never gave anybody the opportunity to ask him questions as to the modalities and as to how the election was going to be conducted. He went out, and was guided by the police escort and all that, and he went to a hotel, and later he retired to the home of one Owerri prominent politician who is intending to run for governor, and they are writing list in a constituency, Owerri Federal Constituency, that no primary election was conducted. In a constituency where an obedient member like my very self, a pro-democracy activist, that has been on the street advocating that the right thing should be done, that have been inhaling tear gas because we are saying that electoral act must be electronically transmitted, is contesting. The party, I'm giving them a message that we have brought a pre-action notice to them, which unfortunately the national chairman has instructed people at the secretariat not to collect any letter or any petition. So we are now serving him through the media. And we are saying that it is regrettable. This is not the party we envisaged. But we are not running away. Now that Peter Obi has emerged as the candidate of this party, we will stay within the party and make sure that this party embrace the message of a new Nigeria. This message of a new Nigeria must begin with this party. And that is why we are here. We are telling them whatever they do, they must do it within the ambits of the law. They must do it in accordance with the Electoral Act, in accordance with their own guidelines, in accordance with the Constitution of Nigeria. So we are saying all of us that purchase expression of interest from the federal constituency, no election has been conducted so far. And they dare not send anybody's name because one Martin Agbaso or one Uche Onyeagocha, who is also contesting Senate, is also promoting a candidate. They dare not. There is no election in our federal constituency, and that constituency is a constituency where a strong obedient member like my very self is contesting, because I need to be in the House of Rep to propose the right amendments to the Constitution, to propose the right amendments that will enable us have a new Nigeria. We cannot, let me re-emphasize and close with it. I'm saying that we don't need a National Assembly where Peter Obi will be talking about cutting the cost of governance, and people are in the National Assembly talking about furniture allowance, wardrobe allowance, and sending messages in their email, like Ababio said. We need a new Nigeria where the right laws will be made. We need a National Assembly where I am vying, where the right law will be made that will enable Peter Obi to give us a new Nigeria. And that must begin with this party. Thank you.